Thank you, Carlos. Continue with the activation. I am going to talk to you about the security measures for a nuclear plant. 1. Site safety studied preliminary and final. 2. Adequate protection elements. 3. Distance between operator and radioactivity source. 4. Exposure time decrease. 5. Shielding with absorbent material. 6. Learning from or lesson learning. 7. Surveillance and radiation levels in the air and soil inside and outside facilities. 8. Surveillance of radiation levels in the water at food inside and outside facilities. 9. Determination of tracing zones for more contamination areas. 10. Where's dosimeters that indicated the possibility accumulated dose. 11. Have authorization to work with nuclear plant. 12. Plant preventive maintenance set. 13. The limitation of zone from SAR to SAR 2. 14. Theoretical and practical education on the training of personnel working on the nuclear plant. Fighting emergency drains. Utilities know how to act in the case of the emergency. Continue. Uh, on the other hand, we have protection measures for a sanitary radiophysical installation. 1. Distance move away from a radiation source. 2. Exposure times tied at source of possibility need and radiation source. 3. Use of protection barriers interpose a barrier between the radiation source and the people to stop of reduce using radiation. 4. Radiological protection training. 5. Using a flat thermistor each time you are exporting a radiant allows you to estimate individual tips and super dose in the interbody. 6. Words dosimeter, which allows estimating the dose on the gas in the rate of mathematical exposure of the each part on the body. 7. Periodic dosimeter, some base chance tends for contamination control. 8. Individual medical protocol contaminating the results of the health examination period on the joint, the facility, and the periodic and the occasional medical examination. 9. An individual dosimetry history that in the case of the workers with individual sometry must contaminate at least the monthly dose, the dose accumulated in the each official year, and the dose accumulated during each periodic of 5 consecutive official years, and in the case of category B workers who do have individual somatical sublined the annual dose determined of estimated for the date of the radiological subline of some. Then classification of ARAT and the signati to identify types of risks and areas. Areas 12. Rules for Excel to control area examination round. 20. Protection stands for exporting pregnant workings. 13. Protection rules for parents. 14. Protection starting for parents on the children age and the pregnant woman. 15. Standards for computed tomography equipment. Thank you, teacher.